Hello guys, welcome back to my another vlog. I hope everybody is doing well. I'm also doing well. Actually, I'm feeling bored because I don't have anybody here. All my friends, as I told you guys. So yeah, I was just playing. So the weather is not good. Again, I don't know what's happening. But today, me and my friend, I call us Zinga because we're the same age. So we call us a best friend. We call us a Zinga, Zinga sir. I call him Zinga and he call me Zinga sir. So I'm feeling poor, so I just call him and I said that I'm coming to your home, and he's like, okay, then come for dinner. So he's in different village, honestly, but I have decided to go there. So tonight I'm going to go to his house and eat dinner, and we're gonna visit some of my old friends. So yeah, stay tuned with me and enjoy with me today. Let's see. What will you do if the dog is barking? I just show the camera and then it just stopped. They were barking at me like anything, and I just recorded and it stopped like a human being. What to do? I think you guys should also try it. I don't know. You are barking at me like anything. I know they are inside. They're not gonna bite me. But I just started vlogging, showing the camera, and it just stopped and then they just move away. Try it. I don't know it worked with me today. So guys, in our village, this is how our local market is available. This is the highway, so a lot of people are here and there traveling. So yeah, this is our local vegetables: ginger, papaya, local banana, and what else? Tomatoes, and this is stinky beans, this and that. I think I'll buy this one for my friend. Guys, I'm returning back with cola, and the dog is my neighbor's. So let's see now what will happen again, because they always they're sharp. They are sharp. Look again. Can you hear? Continue. Now wait, I'll show. They scared the camera. They scared the camera. Look. Otherwise we are about to be like look like gonna be attack us. Oh my god, it's a proof. Guys, look, they're scared of it. They're silent. I'm so shocked. It's just new thing. Just really new thing for me also. I'm not saying the dogs are bad, okay? They're so cute. They're coming, but whenever we pass by, they just bark like anything. But the moment I just show the camera like this, they keep quiet, guys. Something's there. I think they're scared of phone, camera. I don't. They're silent. Can you see? It's weird. I love my experience. When I go back, that's how I figure out. But to prove that, while coming back, I did that, and it works. So I came to have my dinner. My Zunga invited me. So this is just a boil. This is pilava. This is pork, of course, and this is ripchilong. Cheers, guys. Hi, I just reached home now after I had my dinner in my friend's home. You know, it was raining so heavily. There was a thunder, there was a lightning, and the transformer got blast. We had no light, only the inverter, but because of so heavy lightning, we turned off the inverters and everything. So it was so dark, and finally the rain stopped, and then my friend dropped me. So I am home finally. I will continue my vlog tomorrow. So good night. Bye bye, love you all. Hi guys, welcome back again, another day. And I just washed all my clothes and everything is done now. It's in the afternoon. I'm gonna make a Pani Puri. So this is my first time I'm making it. I never made myself. Of course, dough and everything I have, but in the Pani Puri we put inside, I'm gonna make the first time. So I will make now and I will show you when I eat, okay? My mouth is watering. Let's see how I make. So guys, I put here the mint, chili, and then I have this one. What is this? Imli. And this one here, I'll just put a little bit here and I will grind it. So here's the water. I grind everything together. I put the imli water as well. And the most important thing, I put the Pani Puri masala. So it's very yummy. And in the final, I'll put some onion and coriander here. Now preparing this one. Wait, sorry. Potato, chaat masala, salt, green chili, coriander, and onion. It's ready, but since it's not spicy, I got some meat chutney, so I'll put this one also a little bit. Make it yummy. Sorry. Yeah, and then now the spice is up. So it's ready. This one and this one. And this is not spicy because the small little bro. Yes, perfect. Ashima, one bite. Yes, good job. Good job. Big bite. Big bite. And I want to chew so easily he just bite in. Here's mine with one chili. It's so sunny. Mmm. 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Đọc cho bạn nhé. Chuyện này là mềm tê rồi với. Pink, blue, red, colorful in the house. Thank you guys. We had a great day. We're just more to finish. Alright. And then I love you guys. And please subscribe to my channel, like and share. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.
Bye.
Like he's into food. We're saying bye bye and then you're more. Bye. Guys, I got a good king chili. One last and then I'll put a king chili there.
It's not the bird no.
Shut the rip da. Go back.
Yeah, it's not the.
Okay. This small boy. Come and show your face. Makayor. He's saying don't eat anything. The leftover he will eat. Which one you want to eat some?
Yes.
Done.
Okay.
I put the king chili. He's the one. Leftover 2 and then he's like, don't eat anybody. That's mine.
Yeah, he's like king chili.
Hey, wait, minum ka to ya, what? Yeah. Cheers
I think it's
to the king chili. Mm-hmm.
It's spicy.
Not very smart. Ah, ito lang ito, yeah.
Lemon.
Me, Meyer, die. He's hiding it. He took it and he hid it.
I think we're there.
That's fine.
I'll reach out.
Finish. All done. Just also a little bit on. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Ah!
I don't. Shit.
Why you're so upset, bro? Huh? Why you're so upset, bro? You hide everything and you're getting upset. Only this potato is left. Nah. We're so spicy that we're eating. Oh, right there. Sugar. Ako da. No? He's still drinking the water.
어디 내일 지금 어제 basket 문제.
Asa mo? 야, 정원 줘. 인지 넣어마.
하나 시작자.
Good work, everyone. Oi, you naughty boy. You little naughty. Hey, 일로 줘, 도마. 쓱쓱. 당신도 가는 거. Oh, you guys are so noisy. Cái này nó mà sai gì này nữa? Em sai.
Water.
Guys, it's evening now and I'm going to my friend's house. This UA t-shirt. And thank you so much. I had a very good day today and I hope you guys love my vlog and I love you all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.